It's the weekend, guys, and this weekend I have planned to have a Netflix marathon with my girls, and of course that calls for a lot of good food and drinks. If you too are hosting a party this weekend and are in the mood to cook, then guys, Big Basket is a big savior. Guys, Big Basket offers a wide selection of products including fresh produce, household essentials, personal care items and more. Okay, so let's start ordering. Now this friend of mine was coming, loves Pringles. She just messaged me, so let me type chips and select Pringles in the above brand section. So I'm choosing potato crisps for pizza flavor. It's her favorite. Well, the MRP is rupees 230, but I am getting it for 188 rupees only. What a deal. I saved so much. This is the best binge eating munchie, especially during the Netflix marathon. I think the best part of this snack is that it's baked, and it's also added to the cart.
Tanvi, aren't we forgetting something?
What is it, Kiki? Oh, by the way, guys, let me introduce you to my best friend Kiki, who never leaves me for a minute when she sees me shopping online.
What about snacks?
Oh yes, we need to buy some snacks as well. And under snacks, I will select the brand as Lay's. Guys, I can never find this flavor anywhere else. That's why I love Big Basket and always end up buying things from here. And for snacks, I'm done with adding Lay's to my cart. And come on, who does not like Lay's? I love it and my friends will too. This weekend, I'm going to be the master chef and I have decided to cook Thai curry. But since I'm running out of time, I am going to order in all the ingredients. And the first thing that I will need is a real Thai curry can. So let's open the Big Basket app. You will see two options under the shop groceries. One says Big Basket, get it in 13 hours, and the other option shows BB now. That says get it in the next 15 to 30 minutes. So we open that, and under the category we will choose gourmet and world food. Now let's choose cooking and baking needs. Under this we will select the curry paste coconut milk. And here we go. I have found real Thai green curry, which is apparently the perfect paste for Thai curry. Finding Thai curry paste is always a struggle, but Big Basket has it all and also delivers in time. So adding it to the cart. Now as per the recipe, I need chicken curry cut. Well, a Thai curry is incomplete without chicken in it. Let's just search for chicken curry cut on Big Basket. Now we will set the filter to 500 grams and add it in the basket. Okay, so I am going in with the fresh chicken curry cut without skin, antibiotic residue free, 12 to 16 pieces, 500 grams, only for rupees 159. Now we need the most important thing that makes this recipe stand out from the rest. We need coconut milk. It's basically adding the creamy texture to our Thai curry. Now I'm thinking of choosing a product rating filter as 4 stars. And now I'll pick up this homemade coconut milk goodness of 2 creamy coconuts, 200 ml for rupees 69 and 50 paisa. Wow, amazing. So after the milk, now the last thing that we need is the grated coconut for our Thai curry. Under the category section, select fruits and vegetables, and then select cuts and sprouts. And under that we have to select the cut fruit and tender coconut. For 100 grams, I will be charged only a rupees 72 grated coconut. That too not so expensive. Without thinking twice, let me add this to my cart. My goodness, that is saving me so much work because this coconut is already grated.
Okay, Tanvi, will you guys be just eating and not drinking anything?
Oh my god, Kiki, I thought I was done. Oh yeah. But thanks, Kiki. I think I absolutely forgot. Let's add some of my all-time favorite drink. Ooh, alright. So they have so many flavors already. So let me pick a pack. And wow, that's brilliant. It's actually called the Celebration Cocktail Pack, and it has got like assorted flavors. It's low on calorie and each of them is going to be a 250 ml. Wow, amazing. Which means I got like 60 rupees off on this. That's a great deal. So now that I have given you so many snack options, it's time you clear your kitchen cabinets and stock up on these healthy and tasty munchies. Get them from the Big Basket and avail some huge discounts. The best thing is that you don't have to wait for days for your order to arrive. Tell me which one you like the most, and for more such content, keep watching this space.